All right, so often students ask me the question, how do I delete or how do I renumber elements? Unfortunately, there's not a way to renumber elements. You actually need to delete them and then renumber them. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. So this is the example we have going on. And we're going to go back to the preprocessor here on the left-hand side. And we'll go to modeling. And if we have issues, we're going to go ahead and delete something. So I'll get the delete there. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to delete some elements. So all I have to do is click on them. So I'm going to delete this one. Just I don't want this going all the way across. I'm just going to get rid of. Whoop. I do not want that one. So I will unpick that one and go to pick again here. And I want to get this one, and this one here. It's not getting that one for some reason. Let me get those two for now. I'll click OK, and it looks like they're still there, but let me come back here and plot, multi-plot, and it takes those two out. Now, this 8 one's still hanging around here, and let me see what's going on there. So what I like to do is come here and list elements and node attributes, and so it tells me that 8 does exist, and it's between 1 and 4, which is correct. It goes across here. Right. So I can delete that. Let me try that again. So come in here and pick. I can get this one selected. It's not picking it. That is really odd. So I think what I'm going to do is, if you have issues like that, which should be able to come in here and just put in number 8. And I can apply. Click OK. Let's see if that works here. Yep, so that takes it out. So if you're having a cantankerous element there, just put in the node number, or the element number, and you can take it out that way. All right, so again, we want to renumber the elements. So typically we'd come in here, we'd say create elements auto-numbered through nodes. Now auto-numbered, see where that issue might show up, because we ended up with 8. So guess what the next one's going to be? Let's see here. 9, right? We don't want 9. We want to say, well, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 and 5 and 7 here. All right, so I want to do 1, 2, 3. Let's put this one in 4, 5, 6, 7. It's kind of putting it back to where we were, but maybe I'll do 4 over here and 6 here. So let's do that, and we'll cancel this. All right, and so our elements are there. So let's delete that one again. So go back here, delete elements, and let's see if we can pick it. If not, then we'll and picked it okay that time. And so get rid of that. But again, it sticks around. So plot, multi-plot, get rid of it. Okay, so now let's create a new element right where we want it. So now we're not going to do auto numbered. Right? We're going to do user numbered. So come down here to user numbered, and we'll go ahead and do through nodes. And so what we want is we're going to start with 4, and we'll click OK. And it says which nodes do you want? So I'm going to pick 4 and 5, and that's where I want 4 at. Ooh, very good. Oh, it lets me do another one. All right, so I can do 6 here, and click OK. And it says me which ones to pick, and I can do 4 and 3 for my nodes. And by the way, I've been middle clicking to confirm this, and so that's why it pops up again. So I could go ahead and do another one. I won't this time. I'll cancel that out. And you can see all these work out. So again, the nice way to check everything is go into list, elements, and you can see all your elements and then what nodes they are between, right? To give you confidence that they actually exist. So you saw a couple of times when I deleted things, they didn't seem to go away until I did the replot, multi-plot, replot, and then they came back. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Again, please watch the next video and continue to learn about how to do ANSYS and simulation.